Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Making Investments Simple. And today I would be talking about the Zerodha trading app. I have made a few videos already and also on different subjects from which you would know how to use this trading app. But this would be a real basic things of some of the tips and tricks you can use it to use this app. So I'm at the Zerodha trading app. Why you should choose Zerodha trading or choose a discount broker is something which I have explained it before too, regarding brokerages and a lot of other features. But today I would be specifically talking about the trading app itself, how it works and what all you can do to simplify it. So this is the trading app. As you can see on the on the top left hand corner, you will see the menu, and from which you can actually find out the Nifty and Sensex. So plus and minus, it will actually show you where the Nifty is heading, whether it is in plus today or not. So as soon as you open the app, you can actually see this on the live market. Right now the markets are not live, still 15 minutes to go, so you cannot see this, but generally you will see plus and minus, percentage plus, or how much points are plus today. And this there are these 1 2 3 4 5, basically on the top right hand corner below the bell icon, you will see this goggles symbol, that actually means the watch list. So you can actually create 5 pages of watch list. This is the first page. So you have to plan well in advance that which page is for what and things like that. So the first page I have chosen is to monitor some of the stocks which I am monitoring. The reason why you should do this is that's how you will start observing the movement of certain stocks or how it moves and things like that. Just by checking the news channel and things like the news channel and hearing news without even doing any research on your own will not end well for any trader. That is the reason you should have a watch list of your own. So if for example you hear something about the stock called Radico Khaitan, about some analyst might be speaking about it, whether it goes or if it will be up today or not, it would be really um, very immature to straight away buy that stock just because some analyst is telling in the TV. The reason is your research on your own is also extremely important. That is the time when you actually should start monitoring these stocks, whether it is actually moving or not. One more important thing you have to keep it in mind is every stock or every stock or every sector has a momentum, just like seasons go and come and go. The same way, you need to analyze the trending stocks. So for example, the IT stocks are in focus right now. It was in focus last year, and then there was a cooling period where the investors or traders are not showing interest in it. That's the time you have to stay away from these stocks. The reason is in this cooling period you will be stuck in a stock for ages, for months together, or sometimes years also. So right now the hotel sector is in focus, and also at this time of the this time of the year in May June 2018, consumption sector or rural sector, stocks like Dabur India, and consumption sector like Colgate Palmolive, where people consume these kind of products, these are in focus. That means there is a lot of volatility and there are a lot of movements in these stocks. That is the time when you can actually try for a short term buying position or a selling position. This is something which comes from experience, and that is the reason it's extremely important to keep your watch list. Even uh, the alcohol beverages sector is also in focus right now. That is the reason I have Radico Khaitan in my watch list. HCC is from a construction sector. However, it is not so much in focus at this point of time. Now, another important point to keep it in mind is results when we are expecting results for some sectors, or when result season, especially from the quarterly results, are going to be out in the next 1 month or 2 months. that is the time you have to focus on these sectors or the stocks which will be in focus, or which will be for which the results will be out very soon. That is also a time when you can actually update the watch list with these stocks. So the first watch list I have kept it is to monitor certain stocks from different sectors. The second watch list, the second page of the watch list can contain something which where you are working on a certain strategy. So if you have watched my strategies for Infosys and Reliance and also crude oil, um, then you would see that these are stocks where one strategy works perfectly. When I say perfectly, it doesn't mean every day you will be in profit. It actually means that if you continue and follow the strategy religiously for every day, if you trade it, you will be in profit by the end of the month. So you can actually go just search for that video about pivot trading strategy on for Infosys. It works perfectly for Infosys. It might work well for other stocks too, but I haven't researched on which other stocks it might work. But pivot trading actually is a strategy which shows the strength or weakness of a particular stock for intraday. All right, so the third one, as I told you, now there are some the third, fourth, and fifth watch list can be anything which you are following, or F&O positions or option positions here, Nifty, Bank Nifty. I mean, so the fourth page of my watch list is like that, and then the fifth page is about some Nifty Bs and Gold Bs. So what are Nifty Bs? There is a video which I have specifically made about Nifty Bs. What is Nifty Bs and how it works, things like that. So you can actually follow that video to understand what it means. So this is how you should actually plan and use Zerodha app for better management of your app and also your stocks. You cannot trade on all 5,000 or 2,000 stocks in a day, and even you cannot trade on every stock what analysts are recommending. I would say trade on one stock or maximum two stocks in a one day, or even for short term positions, because there will be times when you cannot concentrate on every aspect, every stock or every sector. You cannot concentrate on it, and that's when you will start getting sleepless nights. So if you have a working strategy, please follow that, and then also use your app wisely, where do not keep hundreds of stocks in your watch list, and that will divert your mind into making more and more mistakes which is not required. So hope you enjoyed the informative video about how to use the Zerodha trading app for better money management and also better planning of your trades or strategies in intraday or positional. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you do not have an account with Zerodha, there is a link on the description where you can click on it and easily open an account with Zerodha trading. And also why you should choose Zerodha or any other discount broker, that's something which you should definitely know, and I have made a video specifically on that. Please watch that video to understand how Zerodha trading works, how discount brokerages work. Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I will see you again on my next video.